Remove facial hair at home in 15 minutes. Facial hair in women usually comes out as fine hair in areas such as the lips, chest, abdomen or back as a general rule, but at other times thick hairs may also appear in those areas. This time we see how to eliminate facial hair with home remedies, as it is once again a task that we can perform with ingredients that we have in our own home most of the time. How to remove facial hair with turmeric? In India, women remove body hair and prevent it from growing using turmeric. Also, turmeric is used to give a color and golden appearance to the skin or as a tonic, but we will focus on how to use this spice to remove undesirable body hair. 1. Turmeric with honey. We make a paste with a little turmeric and natural bee honey that we apply where we have hair. We leave in the areas a minimum of 15 minutes, and then we rinse well with cold or temperate water. 2. With sour milk. To 2 spoonfuls of sour milk cream we added a pinch of turmeric powder and massaged the areas with unwanted hair with the fingers. We hope the skin is dry and then clear. 3. Special recipe. If you want to know how to remove facial hair naturally, this recipe is interesting since the face is especially effective. We mix to form a paste a little turmeric powder, milk, natural bee honey and lemon juice. It is applied in the needy areas, allowing it to act for 15 minutes. 4. With yogurt. Mix a little turmeric with a natural yogurt and let it act in the areas where we want to remove hair for a minimum of 30 minutes. 5. With coconut oil. When we have a dry skin and have facial hair or any other part of the body we have dry skin with unwanted hair, this recipe to remove hair naturally is quite effective. Mix turmeric with a little coconut oil to form a